Before you feed data to any model, do something surprisingly powerful. Just look at it. This is called exploratory data analysis, and a handful of simple plots will tell you what your data really contains, what's typical, what's related, and what's broken. Let's tour the essential charts using our housing dataset. Start with one column at a time. A histogram slices a column into bins and counts how many fall in each, the shape you met 2 lessons ago. Here's apartment size. Most homes cluster in the middle, around 11 to 1400 square feet. And look, one bar sits far off to the right. That lone bar is an outlier, spotted in a single glance. One column tells you about itself. To see a relationship, plot 2 columns against each other in a scatter plot. Here's size against price, each dot one apartment. As size grows, price climbs with it. They're positively correlated. That's a promising pattern to model. But remember the last lesson. A relationship on a chart is a clue, not proof of cause. When you care about spread and outliers, reach for a box plot. The box holds the middle half of the prices, with a line at the median. The whiskers stretch out to the typical range. Anything beyond them gets its own dot, a flagged outlier. Center, spread, and oddballs, all in one compact picture. Those charts were for numbers. For a category, you count instead, with a bar chart. Here's how many listings sit in each neighborhood. Notice Riverside towers over the rest. The groups are imbalanced. That's something a model needs to know before it learns. Here's the real payoff of looking first. You catch problems. A quick scan of the raw table turns up trouble. A missing value where a price should be, and an age of 999, which no apartment has. Exploration flushes out missing entries, impossible values, and outliers, so you can fix them before they poison your model. So, 4 workhorse plots. A histogram for one column shape. A scatter plot for the relationship between 2. A box plot for spread and outliers. And a bar chart for counting categories. The habit behind them all. Look before you model. Next, the most important split in machine learning, training, validation, and test data.